What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. And in this video, we are gonna broken knuckle fingerboard unboxing. If you can see that. Broken knuckle, and it says my name. This is a lot. I'm gonna keep this receipt over here just because I don't know exactly what I ordered. Oh. Let's first do these. Okay. So I ordered the I think this is the, yeah, this, so I ordered a 32mm complete with liquid hardware Ebony. And I also ordered a P-Rep 32mm complete with liquid hardware Zebra. I really wanted these clear wheels. I don't know why, I just really did. Okay, and then I also ordered, oh my goodness, probably have to fix that eventually. I ordered CNC lathe yellow bearing wheels. And blue lathe, CNC? Yeah, CNC lathe wheels. Oh. These don't look anything like they did on the website. Oh well, I'll still use it. Got my fingerboard right here. I'll probably take grip tape out of these, and put, I don't know, I'll probably put the blue ones on and look more festive. Yeah. So I'm gonna, and then we got the 2017 graphic, 10% off, web 16. I figured it out like maybe a week after I ordered this, that there was one of these. Well, once I got the one, this fingerboard came with 10, and I didn't show you it. Well, I didn't know that they stay the same every single time. They both say web 16. Ooh, I can't wait to put these together. Well, yeah, so this is the end of this video. I'll probably set up both of them, and yeah, see you next time. Bye.